Hi everybody and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. This video will show you some common symptoms of a bad stabilizer link. It is a crucial part of your car's suspension and noticing the problem on time is, in fact, a matter of safety. Very important to know, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Changes in the way your car handles on the road. The first symptom of a bad stabilizer link is that you'll probably notice a change in the handling of the car. The car will not hold on the road as it should. You may notice sudden small pulls to the right or left, especially on a bad road surface. At this point, it very much resembles other suspension problems like a bad tie rod or a bad wheel alignment. Uneven tire wear. One more early symptom of this problem is uneven tire wear. The tire tread will not be as damaged as with a bad tie rod problem or a bad ball joint, for instance. The damage will be less, one side of the tread will be barely damaged, but it is still visible. You will notice excess body roll. Stabilizer links, as the name says, keep your car stable and firm on the road. When they're in bad condition, you'll notice a strong leaning to one side, especially when going through curves or a sudden change of lanes, for instance. A clunking and rattling noise coming from the suspension. Soon after all of this, you will hear a vague clunking and then rattling sound coming from the suspension. You can barely hear this sound on a good flat road, while on a bad surface, you can clearly hear the rattling, which can, in the final phase of the problem, be very loud and disturbing. You can see the damaged stabilizer link. After you hear the noises, if possible, best take a look at the stabilizer link. It's located on the suspension and on most cars it's easily visible. In lots of cases, you will see torn rubber around the stabilizer joint, and if you were to rotate the joint with your hand, you will feel play in it. In worst cases, the joint may have completely popped out of the socket, although this is more rare. Like with other suspension problems, the moment you notice a change in the car's handling, make an inspection of the suspension. Regarding a bad stabilizer link, the moment you hear the rattling and clunking noise, replace the stabilizer link as soon as possible. Don't postpone it. Best don't let it get to this phase if possible. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps find the problem. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.